In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Flow videos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to pick the right quality for your needs. First, open your web browser and head to labs.google.effects. This is the home base for Google's experimental creative tools, and Flow lives here. If the page looks different from what you expect or some buttons are missing, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you're using a supported, up-to-date browser. On the page, look for the button labeled Launch Flow and click it. This takes you into the Flow workspace. It may take a moment to load, especially if it's your first time or you have multiple projects, so give it a second. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on an existing project that already contains videos. If you have a lot of projects, scan for the one where you generated or stored the video you want. Opening the right project brings up its assets so you can access download options directly. Inside the project, locate the specific video you want to save. Hover over the thumbnail or open the item to reveal the menu with three dots, often labeled More Options. Click those three dots, then choose Download. If you don't see download, double check that you've selected a video asset and not a prompt or an image, and confirm you have the necessary access for that project. A quality picker will appear with several choices. For quick shares or lightweight files, 270p animated GIF is the fastest to download and easiest to send, but it has lower resolution and no audio. For a balanced mix of quality and compatibility, choose 720p to original size. This preserves the source resolution and includes audio when available, making it great for social posts or previews. If you have an upgraded plan, you'll also see 1080p upscaled and 4K upscaled. These options use enhancement to increase resolution. Pick 1080p if you want full HD for most screens, or 4K if you need the sharpest result for large displays or editing. Keep in mind that higher resolutions produce larger files and take longer to download. After selecting your preferred quality, the download will begin. Watch for your browser's download indicator and let it finish before moving or renaming the file. If the file seems large, give it extra time, especially on slower connections. That's it, your video is now saved and ready to use in your editor or to share wherever you need.